How to fix Nintendo eShop not working. To fix the Nintendo eShop not working, first of all, you simply have to log in on your smartphone or computer. Go ahead and open any web browser of your choice, then head to the Nintendo's official website or account portal. Log in with your profile and email address, and then on the User Info tab, select the Edit Basic Information option. From there, you can try changing your country's region or region of residence to fully supported region, such as the United States or UK. Once you save the changes, agree to the new terms, and get back on your physical Nintendo Switch and try launching the eShop, you will be prompted to re-enter your account password and the global storefront will load immediately. You can also try clearing the corrupted local system cache by navigating to the system settings and heading to the system once again, then go to formatting options to clear the cache. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.